Greetings of the day. I Chavi Gupta welcome you all in today's session. We have done types of reaction, that is displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, endothermic, exothermic reactions, and many more. Now in that reactions we see that some of the gases have been evolved. Now we will do the test for the gases, how to detect whether which type of gas is present. Now, we all have seen that in some reactions gases are evolved. We will discuss in this session how to detect the presence of gases. Like in some reactions you see that carbon dioxide gas is evolved. In some of the reaction you see that hydrogen gas is evolved. In photosynthesis you see that oxygen gas is evolved. So that is how we will detect which gas is evolved is the main topic of this session. Now, first is test for oxygen. Like in photosynthesis, you see that carbon dioxide plus water. This G means it is in gaseous state. With H2O, I have written L, that means it is in liquid state. So, what is happening that when CO2 plus H2O reacts together in the presence of sunlight, it will form glucose, that is in solid form, plus oxygen gas plus oxygen gas. So how will you detect that this oxygen gas is available or is evolved out is the main topic. Now what we will do that it is our experiment that to test the oxygen involved we take a matchstick. आप एक matchstick लेंगे which just has a spark means आप जब एक matchstick जलाते हैं तो उसमें कुछ टाइम के जैसे आप अगरबत्ती जलाते हैं उस अगरबत्ती में क्या होता है आपको एक ऑरेंज कलर की स्प्रिट सी दिखती है स्प्लिंट दिखती है दैट इज नोन एज अ ग्लोइंग स्प्लिंट लाइक दिस वन. In this you can see that an orange color is appearing at this point, so it is known as a glowing splint. Now what we will do that with this glowing splint we bring it near the test tube. हम टेस्ट ट्यूब के पास लाएंगे उसे. इफ इट कंटेन्स एन इवॉल्व ऑक्सीजन मीन्स अगर रिएक्शन में कहीं पर ऑक्सीजन इवॉल्व हुई है सो व्हाट विल हैपन द मैस्टिक विल लिट अप मीन्स वो ग्लो करेगा मतलब मैस्टिक फिर से बर्न हो जाएगा. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ. See, this is the experiment. This is your test tube in which the reaction is going on. You see that it is written oxygen gas. So this oxygen gas is evolving over here. We bring a glowing splint means हमने एक मास्टिक लेके आया जिसमें सिर्फ आग चिंगारी लगी हुई है. ग्लोइंग स्प्लिंट का मतलब है चिंगारी है सिर्फ उसमें. अब जब हम इस ग्लोइंग स्प्लिंट को टेस्ट ट्यूब के पास लाते हैं इफ ऑक्सीजन इज इवॉल्व व्हाट विल हैपन इट विल ग्लो मीन्स इट विल लिट अप वापस बर्न होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. दिस इज द टेस्ट फॉर ऑक्सीजन. Now next is test for hydrogen. We see that in some of the reaction hydrogen is evolved. The common reaction is that when you react any metal with an acid either diluted or either concentrated. For diluted we have written a term DIL means diluted form. This zinc in solid form so we have written solid. It will give you zinc chloride. How? Zinc has a valency of 2 and Cl has a valency of 1. We will cross interchange it. So what will we get is ZnCl2. So it will form ZnCl2. Okay. Now, so zinc is reacting with dilute hydrochloric acid. It will give us zinc chloride plus hydrogen. This hydrogen is your gas. So how will you detect whether the hydrogen gases evolve or not? It is not necessary that we only react HCl over here. We can take H2SO4 also because it is an acid. Now how will you test that it is an hydrogen gas? जो gas evolve हुई है वो आपकी hydrogen gas है या नहीं है? What you do is वी ब्रिंग अ बर्निंग मैस्टिक. आप एक बर्निंग मैस्टिक को टेस्ट ट्यूब के माउथ के पास लेके आइए. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इट विल प्रोड्यूस अ पॉपिंग साउंड मीन्स जैसे आप बर्निंग मैस्टिक को लेके आएंगे साउंड सुनाई देगी आपको. दैट साउंड इज अ पॉपिंग साउंड. एकदम से साउंड आएगी एंड देन आफ्टर दैट योर मैस्टिक विल एक्सटिंग्विश मीन्स वो बुझ जाएगी वो लिट अप नहीं करेगी. Now see, it is a kind of experiment. Now, These are your zinc granules. Here we have taken dilute sulfuric acid in the test tube. Now we have a cork over here and then connected a pipe. This pipe is known as a delivery tube from where the hydrogen gas evolved will pass to the soap solution. Fine. In this soap solution, what will happen that it will form bubbles. We know that whenever a gas is passed in the water solution or in soap solution, it will form bubbles. Now these bubbles will go upwards containing hydrogen. Now we will bring a burning candle with it. Now what will happen when these bubbles containing hydrogen reacts with the burning candle? It will burn with a pop-up sound. This is a test for your hydrogen. Now next is test for carbon dioxide. Now we have seen in decomposition reaction that we have calcium carbonate, that is limestone. On heating it, we will get calcium oxide plus CO2 gas. Okay. Now how will you test that the CO2 gas is evolved? Now to detect the gas, a solution of lime water, आपने एक lime water का solution लिया. Lime water is calcium hydroxide. It is in aqueous state. Why it is aqueous? Because the calcium hydroxide is in powder form. This powder form is mixed with the water. When any solid substance is mixed with the water, it will form aqueous. Okay. So it is in aqueous form. We have taken calcium hydroxide, that is lime water, and pass the gas. We will pass this CO2 gas. Now what we will observe that this calcium hydroxide, that is lime water, will turn milky. Actually the solution of lime water is transparent one. So when we pass this lime water through a carbon dioxide gas or carbon dioxide gas through a lime water, the lime water turns milky, which indicates that CO2 gas is present over here. Now see, it will like this. This is your lime water. Now when you pass CO2 gas to this lime water, it will convert into this milky appearance. This is your milky appearance. This milky appearance show that CO2 gas is present. Now for this we have a video.
In this lesson, we will learn how to test for the presence of hydrogen, oxygen, because it is nearly impossible to determine the identity of a gas just by its appearance. As an example, hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide are all colorless and odorless. How would we be able to determine which is which? To test for hydrogen, place a lit splint at the mouth of the reaction vessel. You should hear a very distinctive squeaky pop, which confirms its presence. This is due to the combustion reaction of hydrogen in the presence of oxygen, creating water as the only product.
I hope this is clear.
To test for oxygen, place a glowing splint at the mouth of the reaction vessel. Keep in mind that the splint should be glowing, not lit. A glowing splint relights in the presence of oxygen. Why does hydrogen burn with a squeaky pop? Why does oxygen relight the glowing splint?
Now this question you will answer, why does the hydrogen burn with a squeaky pop? हाइड्रोजन एक पॉप अप साउंड के साथ क्यों बर्न करती है एंड ऑक्सीजन में ग्लोइंग क्यों हुआ?
Why does oxygen relight the glowing splint? Hint, recall some properties of hydrogen and oxygen. Please pause the lesson to think about this and resume once you are done. Hydrogen is highly flammable, and the pop sound that you hear is actually a mini explosion.
Now this is the answer to the question that hydrogen burns with a popping sound. Why it is burning?
It's actually a mini explosion. The glowing splint relights in the presence of oxygen as there is a higher concentration of oxygen in the reaction vessel than compared with air, which is only 21% oxygen. Carbon dioxide will extinguish a lit splint, but the same occurs in the presence of ammonia. A more accurate test is to bubble carbon dioxide through lime water, which is an aqueous solution of calcium hydroxide, also known as slaked lime. Lime water turns milky in the presence of carbon dioxide due to the formation of calcium carbonate.
Now, I hope this is clear to you that when we pass carbon dioxide with a calcium hydroxide solution, it will turn milky. So these are the tests that we have done over here. So what we have done is carbon dioxide gas, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas confirmatory. Means we have done that confirmatory test for carbon dioxide gas, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Now what is the question, that will the hydrogen gas evolve when magnesium ribbon is reacted with the sulfuric acid? क्या हाइड्रोजन गैस इवॉल्व होगी जब आप मैग्नीशियम रिबन को बर्न करेंगे या रिएक्ट कराएंगे सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ? Now sulfuric acid formula is H2SO4. The reaction will be Mg plus H2SO4. You will write the product and tell whether the hydrogen gas is evolved or not. And in the previous you have a question that why there is a pop-up sound for the hydrogen gas and why the oxygen lit up the glowing splint. You will all answer these two questions also. That's all for today. Thank you.